Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's step-by-step video, I will show you exactly how to block someone on TikTok in 2025. So whether someone is spamming, being inappropriate or just bothering you, blocking them is quick and easy. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you will have to open your TikTok mobile application just like so. Then make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you need to just on the home page tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you need to basically search for that particular person whom you want to block over here. You can find them by searching for their username or by tapping on their name from the comment or the messages. So once you are on their profile, you will see this type of share icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now depending on the version you are using in your TikTok account, in some accounts there may be this share option in the top right hand corner, and in some account there may be the three dots in the top right hand corner. So you need to just simply tap on that, and this will open the menu for most of the users that should look something like this. Over here you will see the block option, so simply tap on the block option and it will ask for the confirmation that you really want to block this person. So you need to tap on the block again, and you have completed the blocked action. Once this person is blocked, the person cannot actually view your content, they can't comment on your messages, they can't message you as well, and they won't know they have been blocked unless they search for you directly. Now in case you want to unblock any of the person, or you want to just take a look at your blocked list, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then tap on the settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, you need to tap on privacy, and over here you will see the list of your blocked accounts. So if you tap on it, you will see all of your blocked account list here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.